Welcome to D&J Airport Transfers. Here's how your pickup at Gatwick Airport works, step by step. When you arrive, please ensure your phone has enough battery so you can stay in touch with your driver. Our meeting point is right in front of Pret-a-Manger inside the arrivals hall. Your driver will be tracking your flight and will enter the car park about 30 minutes after landing. If you're traveling with only hand luggage, you can request your driver to arrive just 15 minutes after landing. Look out for your driver holding a sign with your name, ready to assist you. Please note, Gatwick pickups include both the car park fee and your transfer fare. All of our drivers carry card readers, so payment is quick and hassle-free. Thank you for choosing D&J Airport Transfers. It's our pleasure to get you and your family home comfortably.